Yoga everybody, I'm Ray Moses, a filmmaker and photographer in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. For the past 5 years, I've been filmmaking and taking photos for humanitarian organizations in Uganda, and this is something that I'm passionate about and I love doing. So, welcome to my channel. And in this channel, I'll be teaching you basics to professional level on filmmaking, photography, editing using Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, Final Cut Pro, motion, camera review, and travel. Join me through this journey of 1,000 miles as we dream, learn, make, and repeat to become professional filmmakers and photographers. Please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.